Welcome to DLM Campervans. Today we have a tan 2019 Transit Connect with a mini T conversion. The vehicle has leather seats, navigation, blind spot indicators in the mirror, mid-vehicle overhead console. The conversion, of course, comes with the max air fan, refrigerator, TV, DVD player, 2,000 watt inverter, house batteries that are separated from the vehicle battery. Here's the bed in the 43 by 72 inch. Now it's in the couch position that has some underbed storage, including a foldable portable toilet and a butane stove. In the back you find a 2-inch receiver hitch, great for bikes, shore power plug-in cord. The rear liftgate works great as an awning. Check out our available inventory or give us a call for upcoming units, 651-285-7089, or check out our website, www.dlm-distribution.com. And as always, happy camping!